Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. So I'm on the 7th floor of the Aspire Post Oak, 7th floor, and we're gonna just describe this huge mega floor of amenities. So pretty much the whole floor here is amenities. So let's just kind of walk and give you an overview. I'm just gonna go counterclockwise. So we're starting over here. We've got a really pretty lounge area, super cool, fun lounge area. Just to kind of chill. You've got a game area that's over here. Not only do you have pool, but you've got golf. So you've got a golf room, simulator room. It's a really big room, massive, and man, it's just all here. This is massive. Like the space between there and there is very large. Love this area. This is a super cool area. You also have here a resident lounge. The resident lounge is here, so we'll explore that in just a minute. You've got the pool is going to be on this floor too. There's a courtyard that's there. We'll explore that in just a minute. We also have, let's see, over here, there's really so much. More of the resident lounge is here. There's another outside patio that's here, so going back to almost where we're at, just a really big area. Another lounge. This is the male lounge. So the male lounge that's got some coffee. So that's there. And then finally over here, you've got in the back here, you've got the fitness center. So on the other side of the building is the fitness center. That's right here. So a lot's going on here. The pool, and then the pool, by the way, is over there. So you've got a lot going on this floor. This is a really big, massive floor. Everything's on the 7th floor. It's easy to access. So now we're going to explore these in detail. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing so far, send me a text anytime at the number below.